Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Grant Garland. Thank you so much for joining in. It has been a very, very windy day, and we're actually going to take a look at this right now. What are some of the peak wind gusts that we've seen here in our viewing area? Well, 43 miles per hour here in the Great Falls region, Havre 45 degrees. You head on down, though, to Helena, only looking at a 31 mile per hour, but still, heck, that's enough to blow your hat off. Road conditions looking at the Choteau County line, blowing dirt and dust. Yeah, be careful if you are driving out and about, especially for that evening commute. You're going to want to take it a little bit slower than usual. In terms of our wind gust forecast, we are going to be looking at windy conditions pretty much through the rest of the evening. But notice as we go throughout the early morning hours, well, we are going to be seeing our winds dying down and really being pleasant compared to what we've been seeing today. As you head farther out though towards Glasgow, yeah, then you're looking at 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. As far as your forecast tonight, if you're going to be running out and about, we've seen a lot of that today. People taking their children out and also, well, giving the dog a walk, looking at 53 degrees at around 6 p.m. Mild conditions around 7 p.m., 51 degrees, still comfortable, and the sun will be setting at around 8:03. Temperatures, well, in the mid 40s. As for right now, 56 degrees in Great Falls, thanks to the U.S. Bank iCam. Looks pretty nice outside. See the cars driving out and about. Looks great. Visibility 10 miles. Now we head out to Helena. Yeah, a little more cloud cover out there. Temperatures 59 degrees with the winds gusting of around 31 miles an hour. Temperatures currently 56 in the Great Falls area, not too shabby. Looking at 66 degrees out in Lowell. Head on up to Glasgow, 57 degrees. Then, well, out in Billings, 64 degrees. As far as things on radar, we are looking at cloud cover for a lot of folks in the Great Falls, Lewistown, and Helena region, and especially down towards Bozeman. And we're seeing some light showers out towards Glasgow, but you head on out to Missoula, well, looks like clouds are clearing for right now, but that is all going to change as we have a cold front move through the region tonight. So let's take a look at this. As we head throughout the early evening hours, we're going to be looking at clouds starting to build in from the north. And as that happens, right around 1 a.m., we could be looking at a few snow flurries. Yes, at around 1 a.m., we could be looking at some snow. I'm not expecting much in terms of accumulation, looking at generally areas less than an inch and probably less than a half inch of snow possible. Lewistown looks to get the more bulk of snow out there. But as quickly as it enters, it leaves. We will be looking at a gradual clearing throughout the day tomorrow. So just give yourself a few extra minutes for that morning commute due to the snow. We don't want you to slip and slide on the roads. Tomorrow, sun will be coming out in full force as temperatures warm up to around 46 degrees for our area. By tomorrow night, the home again commute looks great. Nothing to complain about there. A few clouds might roll in as we head throughout Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, but not too shabby. And we are going to be looking at a brief warm spell of around 64 degrees on the air in the area, especially in Helena on Thursday. Looks great for your 48-hour forecast. Tonight's lows, well, we are going to be getting down to around 25 degrees in Lewistown, around that in Great Falls at 24. Head on out to Lowell, though, looking at temperatures, well, around 10 degrees warmer at 35. Tomorrow's highs, we are seeing around 43 degrees in Lewistown, 44 to 45 here in the Great Falls area. You head on out west, temperatures are going to be in the mid 60s, especially for Lowell. I would love to be out there, but it's going to be nice here as well in terms of the sunny skies. We are going to be looking at a gradual clearing as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures, though, make sure you have that coat. 29 degrees by noontime, around 38 with mostly sunny skies, and around 4 p.m., 45 degrees. So to recap, well, we are going to be looking at windy conditions dying down as we head throughout the early evening hours, and we are expecting possible snow tonight, looking at, though, less than an inch of accumulation, and pretty much I'm expecting less than half an inch of accumulation. But everyone have a fantastic Tuesday, and make sure to wear that coat in the morning.